Welcome to another lesson. So in today's lesson, we are going to look at how to create a data entry form in Microsoft Excel. Okay. Now, as I take you through this lesson, we are going to assume that we are entering data for a learning institution, either a college or a university. Okay, so that's what we are going to do. So like I said, our task today is creating a data entry form. Now, let's look at what we have on the screen. Okay, so we have a few data columns here. We have student ID, student name, gender, age, duration, enrollment date, date of completion, course, mode of start. Okay, so these are the only data columns that we have. Now, there are times when we have more data columns such that we can't see all of them at once on the screen. Okay, so if you check the columns that we have at the moment, we can only see columns from column A up to column Q. Okay, now let's say we have to enter data even in the columns after Q. Okay, so what are we supposed to do? So in that case, it means that we will have to scroll horizontally here in order to access other columns. Okay, now when you are entering data and you are moving you are moving from one column to another like this is actually time consuming. Okay, now this problem or this challenge of moving from one column to another, it can be avoided by using data entry forms. Okay, so let's see how we can create a data entry form. So the first thing that you are supposed to do is to add the data entry form on the quick access toolbar. Okay, so this area where we have these buttons called the quick access toolbar. So the quick access toolbar has tools that are frequently used. So we are going to click there, and once we click there, we have this list here. So we are going to choose the more command option. Okay, so we are going to choose that one, more commands. Click there, and this is going to pop up. Okay, so you have popular commands. Popular commands are those commands which are found on the ribbon. Okay, this is the ribbon. So all these commands which are here, they are called popular commands. Okay, now when creating a data entry form, we are going to use commands not in the ribbon. So click on the second option there, commands not in the ribbon. So click there. So once you select commands not in the ribbon, please scroll downwards. Okay, scroll down and look for forms. Okay, forms. Okay, forms. Okay, I think where is forms? Okay, it's here. Okay, forms. So once you find forms, click on the add button to add it on the quick access toolbar. Okay, so these that we are able to see here on the right side are actually the commands that are currently on the quick access toolbar. Okay, so let's click on the add button. Okay, so it has been added on the quick access toolbar. Okay, you can as well remove something from the quick access toolbar. So you just select that item and then click on remove. Okay, so once you add the form on the quick access toolbar, click on the OK button. Okay, down there, click there, and once you click on OK button, you must be able to see this new button there, form. Okay, so once you have added the form on the quick access toolbar, the next thing that you are supposed to do is to change your data to a table. Okay, so we are going to select our data there. Okay, and make sure that we change this to a table. So on the data on the home tab, we go to this button. Okay, format as a table. So we click there, and we are going to have these options of tables. Okay, so we can choose any of these. Okay, you can choose any of your choice there. So I'm going to choose this one. Okay, so I'll click there. Once I click there, it will ask me where is the data for your table. So if it is not this data that you want to be in your table, you can still change there. Okay, but as for me, it's okay. So I'll just say okay and then click on it. Okay, so you can see that now this has been changed to a table. So once you have changed this to a table, you can now go on and create a form. Now, how do we create a form? Just click on this button here, okay, and this is going to come. This is the form, okay, this is the data entry form. Now automatically it has detected that there is one record there, okay, Tyson Chamba, okay, which is the student ID is 1001, the student name, Tyson Chamba, gender male, age 29, duration 4 years, date of enrollment date, okay, it's there, date of completion 27th October 2023, course BAF, which is Bachelor of Accounting and Finance, mode of start full time. Okay, so now if you look at these, we have these labels that we have here are actually the ones which we have on the in the columns there. Okay, so now this helps us when entering data. We don't have to come here and start scrolling here in order for us to see these other columns here. We can simply enter all the data from this form here. Okay, now let's see how we can enter a new record. Okay, maybe before I show you how to enter a new record, let me quickly explain on how we can let me quickly explain on these buttons that we have here. So the new button is for adding a new record. Okay, the delete is for deleting a new record. Like if I want to delete everything about Tyson there, it means the entire row be deleted there. Okay, then we have restore. So currently if you look at this button, it's not active. So if I delete something, automatically it will be activated. So I've deleted 29 there. Okay, maybe I have realized to say the age is not correct there, so I can delete it. Now to bring it back, I can just click on restore and then we have it back. Okay, then find previous. Okay, so maybe you are navigating and you want to go to the previous record, so you can simply click on that button there to take you back to the take you to the previous record. Okay, this one will take you forward. The criteria, okay, we'll also look at this one. Now this one just for closing this form. Okay, so let's see how we can enter a new record. So if you want to enter a new record, click on the new button there. Okay, click on new. Okay, so for our first record there, the student ID is 1001. So the second one will be 1002. Okay, then student name, let's say John Banda. Okay, then we have gender male. Okay, then we have age 24. Okay, then we have okay, that was a mistake. Okay, so in short, okay, let's delete this one. Let's delete the previous record, okay, because that is an error. Okay, so let's delete it. Okay, so we have managed to delete that one. Okay, so let's enter the correct one now. So 1002. Okay, then we have John Banda. Okay, John Banda. Okay, then we have male. Okay, age 24. Okay, duration 3 years. Okay, then we have date of enrollment. So like if you want to enter today's date, you can simply press Ctrl and D, the semicolon. Okay, then you have it there. The date of completion. Okay, so that would be 27th October 2027. Please, I'm just entering these dates. Okay, course, let's say computer science CS. Okay, mode of study, let's say part-time. Okay, so we can click on new so that this one can be added on the table. So once you finish entering this one, just click on new and this will be added to our table there. Okay, so let's enter another one. Okay, we have Joyce Banda. Oh, sorry, we begin with the student ID 10003. Okay, so we have Joyce Banda, student name Joyce Banda. Joyce Banda. Okay, then we have gender female. Okay, then age 22. Okay, duration 4 years. Okay, then date of enrollment date, control and semicolon to enter today's date. Okay, date of completion 27th October 2027. Okay, course BAC, Bachelor of Accountants. Okay, the mode of start full-time. Okay, so we can click on new and this will be added to our table. Okay, let's enter another one. Rebirth. Sorry. So our next student ID is 1004. Okay, then we have student name Rebirth Hamunjo, Rebirth Hamunjo. Okay, Rebirth Hamunjo, gender male, age 27, duration 4 years. Okay, date of enrollment date, control semicolon to enter today's date, then date of completion 20th October 2028. Okay, course we have BAF. Okay, mode of start part-time. Okay, then we say new. Okay, so to go to the previous one, you just click on find the previous, so it will take you to Rebirth Hamunjo. Okay, so just like that. Next. So that is how we can enter data using a data entry form. Okay, instead of moving from one column to another, you can simply enter a data entry form and all the fields will be listed here, and you just enter your data from here, and once you click on new there, automatically that record will be added to your table. Okay, so that is how simple we can enter data using a record, and also that is how simple we can create a data entry form. Okay, so once you are done entering data, you can simply click on close. Okay, and your table will be closed. Okay, so that was our task today. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching my video for the first time, please do not forget to subscribe so that we can move together. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, please you can just write your question under the comments, and then I'll be able to help you. Thank you so much. Let us meet next time. Bye bye.